Hello everyone and welcome. I'm here to guide you and answer the question, can you transfer funds or money from PS5 to other accounts? You see, it's not directly possible, but it is doable. You see, transferring funds between PlayStation 5 accounts is not directly possible for wallet balances. Sony doesn't allow direct transfers of wallet balances between PS5 and PS5 accounts. So the alternative option is to purchase a gift card. You can purchase PlayStation Store gift cards with your wallet balance and then gift them to another account. You can also use your wallet balance to purchase games, DLC, or subscriptions and then gift those items to another account if possible. It's as simple as that. But there's some things to consider. 1. Account restrictions. There may be account restrictions or limitations on transferring funds or gifting items. Understand the terms and conditions of gift cards, including any potential limitations or expiration dates.